Hello Fly Babies, hello my lions, hello my patrons. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today I'm going to give you really quickly the Patreon week in review. So if you aren't a patron yet, or if you are a patron and you've forgotten to watch, these are the things that were on last week. On Monday, I released the weekly home blessing hour for children. That is an actual video for the children to get instructions from me on how to do the weekly home blessing hour, or really what it is. On Tuesday, I released one called One Day at a Time, and that's the way we handle things. So it's more detailed on one day at a time. On Wednesday, nice versus kind. What's the difference? On Thursday, what's your cleaning style? On Friday, the three most important points of decluttering. The three most important points of decluttering. So I hope that if you are one of my patrons, you pop over and watch them real quick. If you're not a patron, it's the beginning of the month, so it's time to join. $5 for the month, and you get all the videos that I make this month and all over 150 videos that I've already made. You can watch any of those. They are not released in any other format. They're just for you as a patron. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.